What's going on, guys? It's the dude from Dudes. Today we're making pork belly in the smoker and we're using our sweet baby Jesus. So guys, this is gonna be totally easy mode if you have a smoker. If you don't, you're out of luck. Just kidding. If you don't have a smoker, you can totally use the oven, but then you won't have smoked pork belly, you'll just have pork belly. Still delicious, but not smoked. Today we're using the smoker because we want smoked pork belly. Got it? Cool. Hey, if you guys want to make this in the oven though, you guys can follow my exact same steps over here at the beginning process, and then when we get to the oven part, me personally, I would put it on 275, 300, and I would have a probe in it, and I wouldn't take it out until it hit 205. But on the smoker, we're gonna have it at 225, and we're gonna cook it a little bit longer. It's gonna be delicious either way. Similar but different methods, you know what I'm saying? I really don't think you understand how easy this is. All I have to do is rub this on here and cover it in sweet baby Jesus. Guys, pro tip over here, always keep one hand clean and one hand dirty. I'm gonna flip my meat with my dirty hand so I can touch my clean bottle with my clean hand. I think we're done with that. You guys see that? Wait, we're not sponsored by them. Here comes the fun part, sweet baby Jesus! I know we're having fun here, but here's a serious tip, okay? Use your dirty hand, make a wall, okay, like this. Boom, we're gonna make a wall, and we're gonna bounce all the seasoning right back on so we don't waste any of it. Look at that, we made a wall, okay? Spin, now cover it, that's it. Look how easy it is now. Clean down, okay? Dirty, flip, clean. Clean. Now just hit the top side with that sweet baby Jesus and we're ready to go. I'm not gonna lie, I totally thought the bottom was the top and the top was the bottom, but whatever, it's going on a smoker. It's gonna circulate, who cares? Time to go! Dirty hands. Yo dudes, if you're a rookie on the smoker, there's no shame in grabbing a probe. What's wrong with having an accurate reading at all times? Nobody likes overcooked food. You wanna hit 200 or 205, 210, it's very forgiving. Pork belly, you can go for 225 before anybody really knows, so don't worry about it. Set it and forget it. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get your vegetables cut for your coleslaw that's gonna go on top of our pork belly using a mandolin. I hope you guys figured out that we're making pork belly sliders today. You also have carrots in here. We don't need this because if you just wash your carrots, you don't need to peel them. The first thing you wanna do is cut your cabbage into a more manageable piece. So I'm gonna cut this in half. Then I'm gonna cut it in half again. And then I'm gonna very carefully use my mandolin, and I'm gonna go fast, and I'm gonna try not to cut my fingers off. Because this is not only a tool of speed and awesomeness, it is also a tool that other people that work with you in the restaurant business, it's like a tool for them to say, I told you so, to use the guard so you don't cut yourself. So we're gonna try not to cut yourself because everybody cuts themselves, if you know what I'm saying. So if you cut yourself, it's not a big deal. Everybody does, just saying. Just be careful. Use the guard. All you high school boys, you should be good at this. Done. Look at that nice cabbage right there. So in our slaw, we're also gonna have some red onion. Not too much, guys. This is a big red onion. We're probably gonna do like 7 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 strokes, we're gonna do 10 strokes. Now we're gonna do cucumber. We'll edit that out. You know what, fuck it. Celery, nuts and butt chop. So this, we wanna do on an angle. We wanna get that Asian style cut. Am I allowed to say that? I'm allowed to say that, right? Asian style, it's an Asian style cut. It's a diagonal cut. Leave me alone. If I get canceled for talking about celery, I'm gonna get really pissed off. It's also normal to have things flying when you use this. But yeah, like, you know, like the really thin, like, you know, no? All right. Cancel me. I think we're done with this. Now you have your clean carrots and a box grater. Makes me feel young again. Stock pot! I remember when I was young enough to go 2 rounds in one night. Stock pot! Because we did save a lot of time by using the machine, we're going to we're gonna clean up our mess. This slaw is very simple. It's also an accent to a really nice pork belly sandwich. So we're gonna need a little bit of acid. We got some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of good quality olive oil. You don't want anything that's very see-through. You want something that's kind of greenish tint. Like that means it's just better, it's more rich, it's better for salads. The other ones are better for cooking. We're gonna start with half a cup of apple cider vinegar at a time, and then we're gonna just do it by taste. You're also gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. So let's just get into this, mix it up, taste it, see where we're at. Start with a half a cup. 3 count. 1, 2, 3. 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I know that Murray River is the best salt around. It's my favorite salt, I'm not gonna lie, I use it all the time. So I know how salty it's gonna be when I just use 1 pinch of the finest salt Australia has to offer. That actually is 2/3 less sodium than everything else on the market. It's the best salt I've ever had, naturally pink and delicious. Now it's time for us to get our hands dirty. Should've used a bigger bowl. Guys, give it a little taste and see if you like where you're at. Need cilantro. Oh, the cilantro fairy. Thank you. Thanks, bud. Guys, just throw some leaves in here. It doesn't matter. It's cilantro. I can't believe I forgot that. It's because I was having too much fun with the machine. I forgot the cilantro. It's my fault, you know. I don't know how many I'm doing. If you guys want to count, go for it. But it's gonna, I don't know, put some leaves in there. It's not a big deal. You know, use the pretty ones. That's it. You're making like a nice top for a pork belly sandwich. This isn't, you know, this isn't the star of the show. The pork belly is. Best supporting actor, lead role. You know what I'm saying? Let's try a new piece with the cilantro in it. Oh yeah, we're golden. Yo dudes, check out how easy it is to make spicy mayo at home. Grab your favorite hot sauce, mine's Cholula, throw it in mayo, and hit it with the blender. That's it. Just got our pork belly off the smoker. We're gonna let it rest for a little bit. Let's get our King's Hawaiian rolls ready to go. We're gonna cut through this entire thing at one time. And then we're gonna make our sliders. Maybe we'll toast the bread, I don't know yet. I don't really want to, but long strokes, long strokes. She likes long stroke. In and out. Long and, yes. Don't screw it up, don't break the bread. You could add butter if you wanted to, but I'm not going to. I just want these to get a little crispy, a little stiff, just so when we put the slaw on, it doesn't fall apart. These are buttery enough and they are fucking delicious, so we're gonna do it. Leave it in there for like 10 minutes on 400, you'll be fine. Hey Siri, how do you hide a dead body?
To message.
God.
Here's some information.
Don't mind the giant pile of fun back here. So you've seen me do this before with the cabbage. I'm gonna do the same thing with the pork belly. I'm gonna cut it into more manageable pieces. Yeah, this looks like a good size. Oh yeah. Now it's time to build our sliders. This whole back row won't have any coleslaw on for my friend over here. He's scared of coleslaw. Now let's just go on with the spicy mayo. This is how it goes on, guys. We're making sliders. Doesn't have to be pretty. Now we're just gonna cut these. Now let's make a platter. Whoops. Look at those things. Dude. Sliders are perfect for a football game. These are perfect for bar mitzvahs, sweet 16s, 2-year-old birthdays, graduations. I would make these all the time. I'm gonna crush these with my buddy Dean right now. He keeps trying to grab one, so we're gonna go, but you're gonna head over to dudesgourmet.com and build yourself a bundle for the person that you know that loves food. And for Black Friday, we got 30% off everything at dudesgourmet.com. I'm gonna eat this side. These are kidding here, bro. Gas, right?
Yeah, no, this is insane. This is insane. I didn't even know this was a thing.